Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the garter stitch. This is super easy and fun. To get started, you're just going to need to know how to knit. If you need help with knowing how to knit, you can check down in the description below for my video on how to do knitting and purling. So to get started, you are going to cast on any number and you are going to knit the whole first row. Also, if you need help with learning on how to do the long tail cast on, which I am featuring right here in this video, you can also check down in the description below for my video on how to do that. So now that we have knitted the first row, we are going to turn our work and we are going to knit the second row. And the repeat for this pattern is each row is knitted. Really super easy. Just slow and steady, take your time. I'm not the fastest knitter in the world, so just enjoy what you're doing. And there you have it. Super easy. That is how you do a garter stitch. You can see how stretchy it ends up making it as well. It looks really neat. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, I would appreciate it if you gave it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.